Hello, welcome to Taste of History. I'm Jill.
And I'm Mark, and today we're going to be recreating a 15th century dish known as Payn Perdew. The name is an anglicised version of the French pain perdu, meaning lost bread, and it reflects that this dish is going to be using up stale or lost bread. In fact, the dish has got a number of names throughout history at the time. In 14th century Germany, for example, it was known as armer Ritter, meaning poor knight, and a word that was also, or phrase that was also used in England at that time. Today we might call it French toast or eggy bread.
And once again, we have the Romans to thank for the earliest known reference to French toast, which can be found in a collection of recipes dated at the 4th, 5th century, simply known today as Picius. And it's described simply as
Alita dulcia.
another sweet dish. And in the Apician recipe, we are instructed to break fine white bread, which means slice it, remove the crust, dip it in milk and egg, fry it in olive oil. Once it's cooked, cover it in honey and serve it forth.
That sounds like my cue to get the fire going and heat a skillet.
Indeed. Thank you. Okay, so for our bread, we are going to require bread, obviously, 2 eggs, milk, and our flavouring is half a teaspoon each of ginger and cinnamon. You can't make eggy bread without breaking eggs, in this case too. What we need for this particular recipe is the egg yolk. There are 2 ways of achieving this. The first one is to crack your egg. And you pour it carefully from one eggshell to the other until all the white has disappeared. And then that can go into our bowl. If you want to be a bit more chefy, break your egg and pour it through your hands. Thus. We need to break up our egg yolks, and then we need to add milk little by little, mixing it together. Then we can add our flavours, cinnamon and ginger, give it all a good mix up. Then we need to place our bread in the mixture. In this case it's sourdough, but you can use any bread you've got. Give it a good old soaking. So to our hot pan we add about a tablespoonful of butter. And once that's melted, we can put the bread in. Into the pan goes our bread. We're going to need 2 of these. I think that will do. So there you have it, medieval eggy bread.
Ooh, eggy bread. Thank you for watching. We both hope you've enjoyed this video, and if you're inspired to recreate this dish at home, then you can find the full recipe on our website at www.tastesofhistory.co.uk, where you can also find out some more information about us, what we do, and some other recipes inspired by history. So until then we meet again, Take care and
Farewell.
farewell.